Hey everyone! Today I'm going to continue to talk about security tools. In the last video we talked about Trivy, so now we are going to learn how to use it to scan Docker images. First, I'm going to check what images I have in my system with Docker images command, and I have three: Nginx, a customized SonarQube, and the original SonarQube image. So for this demonstration I'm going to use the Nginx one. Using Trivy is very easy. We just need to put the command Trivy and the option image. Then we need to specify the image name and also the version. In this case, I'm going to use latest because it's the one that I had in my system. So I'm going to hit enter, and now you can see a lot of information here. Let me scroll up until the beginning. Okay, here you can see I started the command here, and it checks about the information inside of the Docker image. You can see here is a Debian distribution, and Trivy found over 150 vulnerabilities. It has unknown, low, medium, high, and critical. Okay, in this case, I'm going to focus on the main ones, which are these two: high and critical. We can ignore medium, low, and unknown. And for doing that, Trivy offers a filter. So I'm going to use the same command, but with this filter: severity equals high and critical. Okay, I'm going to hit enter again, and it shows only these two severities, high and critical, here. One thing that I want to mention is that every time that you hit Trivy or the command Trivy, it will search for the latest version of the database. In my case, I had the latest. That's why the results return so fast, and also because the image size. But downloading a new version of the database, it will take about 1 minute. It's quite fast as well. As you can see, using the filter, it found 26 vulnerabilities, 23 high and 3 critical. Here it will describe each vulnerability, the library where it found it. In this case, GCC, the vulnerability ID. You can search for this ID over the internet, and also the severity, if it is high or critical, the installed version of that package or of that library, which is this one, and also the fixed version. This is very important, it's a key information because it will allow us to fix the vulnerability within our image in a customized one, and secure our pipeline and our application. But in this case, I'm going to scroll down so you can see there are no fixes for these current vulnerabilities. As I'm using the Nginx latest version, there are no fixes yet. So it is important to have this in mind when we are publishing using this image, and scan this application or this image on a daily basis to find out when the fix is released. So we need to patch that image. We need to download or Docker pull this image locally and create a customized one, and also use that fixed one instead of the one with vulnerabilities. That is very important. And as you can see, Trivy is a simple command, so you can use it very easily on your pipelines. Let's say on Jenkins, you can add a stage called, I don't know, CVE, a vulnerability scanner, and trigger this one, and you need to block or stop the pipeline when it finds any vulnerability. This is very helpful for these purposes. Okay, this is all for this video. I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe to the channel and let me know your comments. Thanks.